Tired of blocky, disconnected textures in Minecraft? Let's fix that and bring your worlds to life. To achieve those seamless, connected textures you've seen, we'll be using the powerful Fabric mod loader and the performance-boosting Sodium mod. First, if you don't have it already, you'll need to download and install the Fabric installer for your Minecraft version. You can find this on the official Fabric website. Run the installer, select Client, and choose your Minecraft version, then click Install to set up Fabric for your game. Next, we need the Sodium mod. Head over to its page on CursorForge or Modrinth and download the compatibility version for your installed Fabric loader. Now, locate your Minecraft game directory. You can usually find this by searching for %app.a% in your Windows search bar and then navigating to the Minecraft folder. Inside your Minecraft game directory, find or create the mods folder. Drag and drop the downloaded Sodium jar file into this mods folder. Launch your Minecraft launcher and ensure you have selected the Fabric profile. With Fabric and Sodium installed, you might already notice performance improvements. However, to enable connected textures, you'll likely need another companion mod that specifically supports this feature, such as a Connected Textures mod that works with Sodium. Download a Connected Textures mod that's compatible with your Fabric version and Sodium. Again, you'll find these on platforms like CursorForge or Modrinth. Simply place the downloaded Connected Textures mod jar file into your mods folder alongside Sodium. Now, launch Minecraft again with your Fabric profile. Look at that. Your glass panes, bookshelves, and other compatible blocks should now be seamlessly connected, creating a much more visually pleasing and immersive world. Enjoy your beautifully connected Minecraft world.